Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to give you a full tutorial on Google Slide animation in 2025. It is perfect for beginners, and whether you are creating a school presentation, a pitch deck or a YouTube slideshow, I will you exactly how to add and customize animations and transition step by step. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So as you can see, we are already in our Google workspace and this is our Google slide. So we just need to open an existing presentation or create a new. Before this, we just need to be signed in. If you have an Google account, then you will easily redirect to here. So here you can do work with the existing one, or you can create an presentation from the scratch. To start animation, I am going to through with the existing slide. So just click over here photo album, or you can use this big idea. Just click over this and it will take a while and it will be load perfectly. So in this slides we are going to add animation over here one by one. As you can see, we have almost 21 slides over here, where you can see it looks really amazing and they design it perfectly. So you just need to be click on object you want to animate. So if you want to add element in this book only, then you just need to be select this element only, then go to the top menu. Let me give you, when I select this one, then here you can see we will get some kind of a changes. Let's see it again. Just focus on this top, just select this one, and here you can see we will get options called animate, and here you just need to be click on animate. Once you click over here into the animal, you are able to add animation over this element. You just need to be open it in the right corner. You will get options called motions. Here you can easily apply animations. Here let's check this out one by one, or let's select after with previous. So here you can easily add your animations, like add an animation appear on click, add animations. So let's delete one click. So let's go over here and come back to this one again. Let's delete this one and with after previous, and then click on fade in. So let's come back this one and let's try play. And as you can see, if I click on this after, as you can see on the click we are getting this animation because of this one, because I add one click. So I'm going to remove it and then play it, and now you can see the fade in is working perfectly. So this way you can add animate or animation to any element if you want. So in this page I'm going to add animations to all these elements. So first of all, I'm going to add an element on this zoom in or spin fly in from left, and let's play it. There you can see it looks amazing. So I'm going to add similar kind of an animation over here. Just click on animations and then click on fade in or fly in from right, and then click on play. So as you can see, if I click over here and it will become over here because of this one, so I need to remove this one and now play it. So I removed wrong one, so I need to be select and add animation, and I need to be remove this one, and here I just need to be change it after previous with previous. So let's check this out with previous, and then I'm going to select this one fly in, and let's see it, and you can see the results. So I'm going to do it with this title also, like add animations, and I'm going to remove this one and not on click after previous, and it will be like the bottom similar, and let's play it. As you can see, it looks really nice. If I go over here into the first, just click on stop and let's go into and let's come back. And if I click on this one, then I am going to add motions over this panel, and let's click on add animations. Here you can see on click on previous, so let's play it. and click it, and now you can see, let's click it, and it has been come. So I'm going to select this one, and then I will add animations, not click, it will be appear on after previous. Let's play it. And eventually you can easily add animation on any element if you want, one by one. So you just need to understand how you can do it. Look, let's add this animation over here. Just click on add animation, then click on zoom in or zoom out, then click on one after previous and click on play. And here you can see, this way you can reduce the speed if you want, you can make it fast, or you can do whatever you want. Just click on, and then if you want to add transition between these pages, you can do it. You just need to click this one and then click on transition, and this transition panel you will couple of options called dissolve, fade, slide from right, slide from left, then flip, cube and glide. Let's click cube and let's play it. You can see it's really nice. So I'm going to use one by one, which will be good for us. Slide from right will be perfect. Just click on, yeah, it looks nice. So if you want to add animation over here, then next you just need to come over here and click on animate. Just select this element and then cross this one, and here you will get option for add animation. Just click on add animation, and then you will click on here zoom in, or you can use this pin and just click on after previous, then play it. Here you can see it's too much, but I think now you can easily implement your animation on your design. So I try my best to give you the explanation about this one. So here you can see we have this one. Like if you want to make your whole slide looks amazing, then you just need to apply your animation over here. Just select this one and then come over here and click on animate, and by paragraph, and then click fly out to right, and then click on after previous and play. Here you can see. So you need to find out the proper animation, which one will be like familiar with your design. So you will just not able to apply any kind of element, it will not be okay for your presentation or your slides. So you need to think it perfectly whenever you're doing this. So let's click again, select this one, and then apply our animate. Click on animate and then click on with previous. Let me talk about what is the with previous. Let's click on fade, and as you can see with previous, and let's see the after previous one. Let's click save, and let's again select this one and then try animate, and this time we are going to click on after previous, and it will be similar, fly in from left, and let's play it. Okay, here you can see what is the thing. Like you just need to try it one by one. Like without exploring, you will not become an expert on it. So if you are able to manage it, then you will find out that your all slides become so much cool than compared to your competitors or your school presentation, your friends. So let's wrap up the video over here. I hope you loved this video. If you think this video was a little bit knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.